In this video, I'm going to show you how to do 3 frames in CapCut step by step, so you can create a clean split-screen style layout for your videos, reels, edits, or tutorials. This is a super useful technique if you want to show multiple clips at the same time, make your content look more dynamic, or organize your visuals in a professional way without needing advanced editing skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. This will take you into the editing workspace where you can start building your video from scratch. Once the project opens, import the video or images that you want to use for your 3-frame layout. You can choose 1 main video and 2 additional clips, or even use 3 separate images depending on the style you want. After importing your media, drag your clips down to the timeline. This is where you'll arrange everything and prepare the layers for your 3-frame design. If you want the clips to show side by side or stacked in different parts of the screen, the timeline order matters, so make sure everything is placed properly before moving on. Now look for the ratio setting under the preview player. Click on it and choose the aspect ratio that fits your content best. For example, if you're making a YouTube video, 16:9 is a great choice. If you're creating content for TikTok Shorts or Instagram Reels, 9:16 may be better. Choosing the right ratio helps you position the frames correctly and makes the final result look much cleaner. Next, add the other clips as overlay tracks. This is the key step that lets you stack multiple clips on top of each other and place them into different areas of the screen. Instead of replacing your original clip, overlays allow you to build a layered composition, which is exactly what you need for a 3-frame effect. Once your overlay clips are added, select each clip one by one. Then go to Video and click Basic. In this section, you'll find the controls that let you adjust the size and placement of each frame. This is where the real setup begins, because the 3-frame look depends on positioning each clip properly. Now adjust the scale and position settings for each clip. For frame 1, move it to the left side or the top, depending on whether you want a horizontal or vertical layout. For frame 2, place it in the center, and for frame 3, move it to the right side or the bottom. The goal is to make each clip look like its own separate frame, while still fitting nicely inside the overall video canvas. Take your time here and preview the layout as you go. If one clip is too large, reduce the scale a little. If another clip is covering too much space, adjust the position until all 3 frames are balanced. You want each frame to be visible clearly without overlapping in a messy way. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in how polished the final result looks. If needed, you can also repeat the process for each clip until all 3 frames are aligned the way you want. The best part is that CapCut makes it easy to fine-tune the layout until it looks just right. Once everything is in place, play the video back and check that the 3 frames are working together smoothly. When you're happy with the result, preview the full edit one more time to make sure the timing, placement, and framing all look good. Then click Export to save your finished video. From there, you can upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform you're using. And that's how to do 3 frames in CapCut. It's a simple method, but once you learn it, you can use it for reaction videos, comparison edits, tutorials, highlight reels, and so much more. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.